So this is the road to Fairy Meadows. It's not just about the path beneath your feet, it's about what waits beyond that climb. ये वो राह है जिसका हर ट्विस्ट इज जस्ट लाइक अ रिमाइंडर कि कोई भी जर्नी इजी नहीं है भाई. बट लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, द हार्डर द पैथ द ग्रेटर द अराइवल इज. This is a road to glory, and every heart echoed the same word: don't fall. When I reached the top, it seems like यार वक्त थम सा गया हो. Mountains were whispering, trees were like standing, and in the cold of silence, I found myself. I found what I was looking for, where the peace is my purity. Every single breath is just like your last step, and every step feels lighter. Every moment was just louder than words. It was not only a trip, it was part of me. It was a place जिसका नाम फेरी मेडोज था, जहाँ मैं चला था अपनी मंजिल को तलाश करने, मगर रास्ते में मैं खुद को पा गया.